In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Brookhaven on console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play Brookhaven on any console where Roblox is available. So primarily, PlayStation and Xbox. It's going to work for old gen consoles, so the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One are newer gens, PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series S or X. All that you have to do is open Roblox, log into your account, and use the search function to look for Brookhaven. Sometimes it is always going to be available from the home screen because it is a very popular experience. Regardless, just either look under the roleplay categories or find Brookhaven. You will then be able to find the game and start playing it. So all that you have to do once you find Brookhaven is to select the green button and to start playing. You will load in immediately and you will be able to move around. You can use the right joystick to move your camera and you will be able to customize your character fully. Some actions will be limited on console, primarily the chat and voice chat that might be available, but regardless, all of the other functionalities of Brookhaven should be automatically set up for you, so you can move around the city, interact with others. You will be able to use the select button to have this little crosshair that you can move around to select options, so you can go over to the avatar editor and choose other aspects about your Roblox character, and it is extremely simple to play. Mostly everything will be optimized even for console, so you shouldn't have any trouble playing it entirely through your PlayStation or Xbox console. You can also connect a controller to PC or even mobile if you wish to play that way. Maybe you just prefer the controller feeling, but regardless, it is simple to set up and you will be able to play through the entirety of Brookhaven. So you can move around, interact with others like I mentioned. You will be able to access every single menu, so you can get vehicles, you can browse through all of the options. It is extremely simple, and if you played Brookhaven previously on PC or any other platform, like I said, it should already or automatically convert every single thing that you have unlocked and you will be able to play. It is simple to do and you can customize anything just like you would in a PC or mobile. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Brookhaven on console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.